Hello students, I hope that you are having a great semester so far. This is our first week and I am making this video for my students who are taking with me Introduction to PC Operating System, course ID ITSC 1405 and section number 81503 in this fall of 2020. Uh, this video should be very helpful for you. I am going to discuss how to find your assignments every week, exactly where to go to find your labs, exams, quizzes, exactly where to go to find your find the instructions for your assignments, your class discussion that you must do every week, and some important sections in your syllabus to look at. So let's get started. This video is gonna really get you up and running in this semester. Okay, let me see, show my screen with you and then go from there. Okay, here I am. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you, you know how to access the eCampus, of course. eCampus is where you have all your resources for the DCCD, Dallas College. So being a Dallas College student, I'm sure you know how to access this place. It's called eCampus. So in there, of course, you are going to select the correct course that you are trying to get into. In this case, I am trying to go into this course since I have so many courses listed. Introduction to PC Operating System, that's the one I'm going to select. So I click on it. Here I am. Once you are in the eCampus, your courses homepage, you're going to land in this announcements page. And you're going to see the announcements that I posted. I'm sure you have seen this announcement already. Let me make sure that it's being recorded properly. Appears to be okay. So go back to my screen. So let me get moving. Now, these announcements, I want you to check every single day. Very often I do send you announcement giving you important instructions. Sometimes I make some changes, you need to know that. Sometimes I give additional instruction how to do something or provide you additional help. I do all of those things. I send to you via this announcements link. So you must log into your eCampus and look at this announcements page. Most of the announcement I also send out via email. So as I post the announcements, you automatically get an email from me as well. Now, quickly, before I get into the syllabus, before I go show you how to find your labs and quizzes, let me show you briefly the links that are here, which are very valuable, important for you, essential for you. Let's look at the syllabus link. After this announcement link, I am already here. I can go to the syllabus links and here I am. I'm seeing the syllabus. Of course, you're going to click on here, this PDF file, that's your syllabus, and you're going to open up the syllabus. And here I have my syllabus opened up. Okay, so let's quickly look into the syllabus. Some very important information that you need to know from the syllabus. You need to know how to contact your instructor. Here is my email address, my cell phone number, in case for an emergency or in an exceptional situation where you need to reach out to me. You can send me a text. I generally do not answer from an unknown phone number, so therefore if you call me, I will probably not answer the phone, but you can send me a text stating who you are and why you are reaching to me, and I will get back to you in case you need to do it for an emergency. Otherwise, email me. I also have virtual office hours. Okay, you can meet me via Microsoft Teams, and my office hours are Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the first 3 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. This is my office hours. What it means, in case you need me, in case you prefer or you think it's necessary to speak to me, visually, connecting with me one on one, then you may ask me, send me an email saying that, Professor, I need a conference call with you, and I will meet you virtually via Microsoft Team. Also on Thursday, I have 2 hours, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Now, I want you to go through the entire syllabus, read through slowly, very important, when the course begins, when the course ends, and other important information is there. You probably are familiar with how to read a syllabus, about your textbook, course materials. You don't have to buy anything. Your all your course materials, your textbooks, your labs, your all the materials should be accessible through Ecampus. I'm going to show you that in this video, how to access your course materials. Okay, and in the syllabus it says also how to do that, but this video I'm going to show you visually. Okay, here, this another important thing, what you will be graded on in this semester, in this course. Okay, you're going to have a prerequisite lab, which I'm going to show you in this video later on what that is. That is a 20 pointer, which actually you have to do it this week. Today is a Friday, Saturday and Sunday you have 2 days day and 2 more days. By Sunday 11:59 p.m. at night, you got to finish this. Very simple, very easy. It's 20 pointer, prerequisite lab. This lab is going to teach you how to basically do labs. This is important. Now, discussion board. Well, there's a D missing right here. Should be discussion board. I'm going to show you how to do the discussion board. Every week you are going to do a class. You are going to participate in a class discussion. I'm going to assign you labs. Next will be these labs. I'm going to assign you labs in the Cengage learning system. I'll show you how to access that. The quizzes. So labs and quizzes and the module tests, everything, all of this, and exams and final exam. All of these things will be in the Cengage learning system. I'm going to show you again soon, in a minute. In the discussion board will be in the eCampus. Okay. Now go more down, look at the course schedule. That's a very important thing that you need to look at. You need to look at every day or every week in the minimum. Now let's look at, we are in the week number 1 right now. This week will end in September, on September the 13th, which is Sunday. Always our weeks begins on Monday and ends the following Sunday. But this is a short week, the beginning of the first week, so I did not assign you a whole lot. So here is what is assigned for this week. You have this eCampus orientation, which you should play with eCampus to learn. Read through the syllabus, number 2, which I'm helping you with both of them, both of these tasks. But I want you to read through the syllabus, taking your time, download the syllabus into your computer so you can open it up offline if you have to, if you don't have internet connection. Syllabus is the most important thing for you to have. It's going to give you all the instruction. Now, weekly class discussion, that is on eCampus, and I just noticed that 10 of you already have done the class discussion for this week, and some of you have done partially, not completely, and some of you have not done that yet. This virtual lab prerequisite, these are the tasks for this week. Okay, just again repeating, just learn about eCampus, read the syllabus, do the class discussion on eCampus, and this one lab prerequisite that I have. That's this week. I'm going to show you all of it. Now, so week by week, week after week, you're going to be seeing. Look at the next week, week number 2. September the 14th, Monday, it begins. September the 20th, Sunday, it ends. And here is your list of assignments. You're going to have several labs, one quiz, and one test every single week. Okay, or almost every single week. Okay, weekly class discussion, that's going to be on eCampus. I'll show you that. Now module 11 is going to have the labs and quizzes and test, everything in that module. You're going to have to complete all of those, and again I'm going to show you in a minute how to get there. Okay, so that's the syllabus. So let's go back to our eCampus. Okay, here I am in the eCampus, and let me look at this course contents, no, assignments. Let's look at the assignments link. I want you to read through this assignment link. Here I have What I'm telling you, I have this important instruction briefly written in here. What you expect every week, where do you find the assignments and how to do them? A brief instruction is written in here, so you must read this. Once you are familiar with it, you don't have to read that. But unless I, post every week or some weeks, sometimes occasionally, maybe I'll give you some additional instruction. Now, let's look at the class discussion before I show you the course content. The course content is here. The contents will take you to the Cengage learning module, learning system, where you're going to see all those chapters and labs and quizzes and tests. I'm not going to take you there yet. Before I get there, before I go away from the Ecampus, let me show you this class discussion. This one you have to do it on Ecampus. So here is my class discussion, and I can see several of you already have seen it, already have participated in it. I see total participants, 10 of them. 10 people already have known about it. Okay, total 12 posts. Okay, fine. What you do, again, now listen very carefully. Every week you are going to have a, uh, a class discussion requirement. So for this first week, you have this welcome students. Okay, that one. This is the forum. You're gonna have to go in, create your own posting, and then reply to another student's posting. Okay, in your posting, what do you say? Well, read this instruction. Got to read this instruction here first. That's gonna tell you exactly what I'm telling you to do, what I'm asking you to do. So in this uh, particular assignment, in this particular forum, I asked you to do the following two steps to earn the 10 points. Okay, actually I made it, yeah, it's 10 points. Class discount is 10 points, that's right. And this one I asked you, write your name, your career goals. In other weeks class discussion, I will have questions for you. I'm going to ask you to read the PowerPoint and the flashcard from the Cengage learning system, which I'm going to show you again, have not showed you yet. Once you read that, you're going to learn something. I'm going to ask you a question right here. In week number 2, I'm going to have a new link right here. It's going to say week number 2 class discussion. You click on it, and there you're going to have to answer those questions. Okay, so this is your class discussion assignment. So how do I go again? I go right here, class discussion link, and that brings me here. And how do you do your posting? Well, here is how you do your posting. You're going to have to create a new, no, not forum. You cannot do that. I can create a new forum. You're going to have to create, you're going to have to go into the forum, click on it. Now you're inside the forum. See, some of your fellow students have already posted in there. How do you do your own posting? You create a new thread. That's called, the posting is called a thread. So you're going to create a new thread. Click on it, create a thread, then you put a subject, whatever you like to say, and you just write down all the answers that I asked you some question. You're going to write the answers here, and then you click on submit. That's going to be your posting. Okay, once you do, I'm going to cancel it. Once you do your own posting, that's one thing you have done. You only done half the job. Next, what you have to do, you have to go to one of your classmates posting. Like click on this one, like say Zhao Naula. I'm gonna, this intro, I'm gonna click on her posting, and once I'm seeing her posting, I'm going to click on reply to her posting. Now I'm gonna summarize. You have to do two things again every week. Every week you come to this discussion board, create your own posting according to the instruction that I supplied to you. Then you also reply to another student's posting. Once you have done both the tasks, you are done with class discussion. Now let me show you how to go to your course contents and do your exam labs and all of those. How to access the Cengage course contents. Click on it. Now it says access course materials here. So I'm going to click on this link. It takes me to the Cengage. Okay, Cengage's learning system, learning modules, whatever you want to say. Here I am. There are two types of view here. One is this outline view, which is showing right now, and I could also switch to this rolling week view. I click on it, and both have its uses. In this rolling week view, it's going to show only the assignments. So first of all, I'm here in the outline view. This is very important for you to know this, switch between these two views. In the outline view, I see all the modules, all the exams and tests and labs and everything. Okay, and what is due? I would like to learn. What do I have to do? What assignments are due? That's when I have to go right here. Rolling week view. There it shows week by week exactly what is assigned in this week. So as you see, this week what is assigned is this live virtual machine lab prerequisite. You must do that when it's due, shows here right there. 13th on Sunday. Sunday the 13th, this is due. So this Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So all you have to do, just click on it and it's going to take you to do this lab. So and then follow the instruction and it's like start assignment now and just do the assignment. So I'm going to close it right now. Close. Okay, back. I'm in the calendar view again, the rolling week view. That's called the calendar view. Okay, if you want to know the next week's assignments, you click on this week number 2 and you see that I already have assigned several things in here, several labs, and then one quiz and one test, and these are all labs. Okay, these are assigned for you next week. And next week, when it shows the 20, don't count on the 20. 20 is your deadline. You got to do this before 20th or finish by 20th. So your week starts right here, September the 14th to September the 20th. So start on the September the 14th on Monday and do one by one assignments. Now, how do you study? Where do you find what to read? What is your PowerPoint? What is your flashcards? How do you prepare yourself? That is what I'm going to show you now. You have to go to this outline view. Click on the outline view, okay? And we're going to start everything from this module 11, okay? Module 11, that's where we're going to start everything. This course, this guidebook has probably, let's see, 18 chapters. And for this course, we start from the chapter number 11, which is module 11, and go all the way to module 18 or chapter 18, the second half of the book. That is what is needed in this course. So I click on this module 11 and I see this. Oh my Lord, there's prepare, okay, read and study and practice and apply. Okay, there are some of these that I want you to do, and some of them you're optional. If you want to do it additionally, you may. I don't assign you anything from this prepare. Click on the prepare and you see learning objectives, exam tips. I don't assign you those. Again, you may do if you want to. Read. I don't assign you even the reading. I don't. I keep it simple for you, easy for you. Here is where I want you to read. Study. You do this PowerPoint deck, you do these flashcards. These two things I want you to do for sure. If you do this exam prep, you may. I don't need you to. I don't require you to. So first thing you do, read this PowerPoint deck. Okay, let me show you how it is. I click on it. Look at module 11 PowerPoint deck. So you go here and click on next and next and next and keep on reading, keep on learning. Let me show you the screen properly. Okay, cutting off. Okay, right here. Next and next. So you read. That's your study. That's where you're going to learn things. Okay, PowerPoint. So finish the PowerPoint, because in the discussion board, on the discussion board or class discussion on Ecampus, remember every week you have to write your own posting. There I'm going to ask you question from this PowerPoint and the flashcards. So if you did not read this PowerPoint, you won't be able to answer. That's how I know that you read the PowerPoint. You're gonna have to answer the question there in the discussion board. So I'm gonna close this PowerPoint now. So you saw what it is. Now, then you do this flashcard. Flashcard is for your practice to retain your knowledge. Let me click on it. Here I click on the flashcard. The flashcards open up. Okay, it shows an operating system. So if I click on it, it's gonna tell me what is an operating system. What is the definition of it? Click on it. So okay, that's what an operating system. Okay, I go to the next card. Click on the next card. Windows 10. Okay, what is Windows 10? Click on it. Oh, that's the answer. The latest Microsoft operating system. Okay, next. That's how you do your flashcard. Okay, so that is again for your own study. I want you to do that. Close it for now. Okay, Then, so now you saw, again, I'm going to make summarize. Prepare, I don't need you to do anything. If you do, that's your option. Read, I don't want you to do anything. Okay, if you do, again, optionally. Study, PowerPoint and flashcards. These two you do. Now you go down to the practice. Click on the practice. You have this lab manual. There are labs I assigned from here. These are graded. See, in this list of the labs, anyone that shows this yellow or orange dot, those are the ones you must do. Those are the ones I assigned you. There are so many labs, and I didn't overwhelm you by assigning all the labs. I didn't do that. I only picked and chose some. So only three of them from this one, this right here, count towards the grade. This 1, 2, and 3. These three, okay? Then you go down here, module 11, lab simulation. So you got this virtual lab simulation, two types of lab. So I click on here, lab simulation, the two more right here, 1, 2. So total 5 labs I assigned them. Don't worry too much that, oh my lord, it's not a huge lab. It's very easy, very simple labs. So you can do it very easily. Okay. And now IT for Life, I did not do this virtual machine. I didn't do that one. I only did these 5 labs for you. That's it. Okay. Now click on this apply. In the apply link, under apply, you're gonna have this quiz, which every chapter has this quiz, every module, like module 11, this one, and there is a module test. So quiz and test, they will be always assigned for you for every module. So for this week, meaning the next week, week number 2, you're going to have 5 labs, 1 quiz and 1 test. Okay, so that's where you go to see things. Again, if you simply want to see what are graded and what are assigned, again you click on this one, rolling week view. I'm very much repeating for you. So here, this week number 2, these are the ones you got to click on it and just do them. That's it. That way your assignments will be done. Okay, I hope this video helps, and your grade book will be there. You will always know your grade right away in this Cengage learning system. uh, Again, go back to the Ecampus course content, go back to the Ecampus. Okay, announcement, I think I covered everything. If I have missed anything, reach out to me. I'm going to post this video on YouTube and send you the link. You're gonna have this video in the YouTube, and the link will be on Ecampus. So hope that you all have understood what to do. Now with full confidence, you're gonna have a smooth and easy semester. I hope that you all succeed, prosper, and enjoy the semester. Okay, I for this will be it for this video today. Thank you and have a wonderful weekend.